Holy shit, these locks here looking rather fantastic. 3 years since 360 waves and he's never going back. Looking unreal. Now, for one, I love the salt and peppery look with the gray hair coming in. A true sign of some beginning stages of the elder locks. I do notice the new growth coming in on those roots. Lots of healthy new growth, no interlocking, no retwisting down to the scalp, letting these freeform in completely. Now they are a bit on the thinner side for Freeform Locs, looking fantastic. Again, we can see how the gray hairs are showing up prominently, and he's got a full head of locks. Doesn't look like there's any thinning, there's no parting, no distress happening anywhere. Definitely the recipe for a happy set of locks. Crazy. It almost camouflages in completely with that rug behind him. These will be hella interesting once they get a lot lengthier as well. Very cool. And I do see some forms of Congo starting to come up, or even some beginning stages of flat locks around this root area right here. And coming from 360 waves, what a difference. And his hair looked like it was a lot more gray in the 360 wave stage. Big ups. Thank you for Who Wants Smoke for sending this in on Reddit. Amazing locks, amazing journey. Stay dedicated, my friend, and bless up.